nga tukyali mbyenjigiriza ate ye omumyuka wa ku ettendekero erya Kyambogo University Professor Abakukuguka agamba nti mwenyamivu olw'okuba nti omuwendo gw'abasomesa oba abayizi oba abakugu mu ggwanga erya Uganda abafuna digiri ey'okusatu gwongedde okukendeera. Abadde aliko abakugu basinkanye mu nteekateeka ez'okutumbula ebyenjigiriza ku mutendera ogwo ogwa university.
In a population of 45 million you have just about 1,000 PhDs.
Vice Chancellor wa Kyambogo University Professor Abakukuguka Lwakashaya yenyamidde olw'abakuguka mu masomo aga PhD okukendeera n'okunoonyereza. Abavudde mu ggwanga lya Hungary bazze e Kyambogo nga bakulembeddwamu Minisita w'ebyobulimi Stefan Nagy.
Especially young people. And we've been urging government to come up with a national research fund. Focusing on supporting PhD and master's training. Because right now, PhD training is private. People pay for themselves. And it can be very expensive for an individual to pay for their education.
Professor Katunguka agamba gavumenti ya Uganda ne Hungary bakukolera awamu okukuguka mu masomo aga PhD.
Especially people who are in the middle level careers, they have families, they have children, they have wives. All those are a lot of demands on them. So if government could come up with a scheme to support PhD training, we could see the number going up.
Professor Katunguka alaze ebikyasomooza okukola okunoonyereza wadde obusobozi bw'abantu weebuli.
So our president has been challenging us. The problem is not agricultural production now. It is how do we move these products to another level. We produce a lot of sugar from sugarcane. So how can we produce high-grade products from sugar? For example, can we get industrial sugar?
Minister Stefan Nagy asuubizza okuyamba ku Kyambogo University mu kunoonyereza n'ebyekikugu.
Ezért szeretnénk, hogyha kibővülne a Magyarországon tanuló ösztöndíjasok száma.
And therefore we would like to broaden the scope of scholarship students learning in Hungary.
És nagyon jó lenne, hogy ahogy a szaktanácsadásban közös együttműködés van, úgy különböző fakultációkat is indíthatnánk közösen az egyetemi hallgatók részéről.
And as we have an excellent cooperation in terms of professional training, we could launch common faculties together for the students.
Hungary ezeeyamba ku Kyambogo University naddala mu masomo ag'ebyobulimi nga Dr. Robert Mulebeke akulira essomo ly'ebyobulimi bw'alambika.
And this has brought in a strong factor for personal and friendly collaboration, which has also spread out to the students, the participants of this training, who are picked from all over the country.
Bya Ola Gabriel, Salt TV, Omonyo.